Welcome to this Raspberry Pi assembly video. We will be setting up a Raspberry Pi 4B starter kit as purchased from the buyapi.ca company. First, I will unbox the kit. Inside the packing box we have the HDMI cable, the power supply, the case, the Raspberry Pi board, the micro SD card, the SD card reader, heat sinks, and the instruction manual. We have just identified all the components in the kit. Let's start by installing the board in the case. The side of the case has a tab. Press it in and pull to release the lid. The case may contain some sticker feet that you can attach to the bottom if you wish. Take care to ground yourself to avoid shorting the electronics. There are 4 small connectors for HDMI audio and power on the bottom of the board. The top has connector pins called the GPIO. Place those 4 small connectors into the matching 4 holes in the case. Once those 4 connectors have been slotted into those holes, then press down on the top side of the board, closer to the GPIO pins, to snap it into place. Unfortunately, I did this off camera. The board is now in the case. Now let's look at the location of the heatsinks. The first heatsink goes on the CPU chip shown here. It is the largest of the 3 heatsinks. The second heatsink goes on the RAM chip as shown here. And the third heatsink goes on the USB controller shown here. I will quickly demonstrate the installation of these heatsinks. Now, let's finish assembly. Put the lid on the case. The SD card already has Linux, so set aside the card reader for future use. Insert the SD card into the bottom of the Pi with the card's middle connectors facing the Pi. Plug the HDMI into the leftmost connector. The other end connects to your monitor. Ensure the monitor is on and set to HDMI before powering the Pi. The power connects to the USB-C connector adjacent to the HDMI. Plug in the power, and you should be all set.